Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about some of the best women's shoes on Amazon. This is our choice for the best hiking shoe. You guys, this is the Targhee 2 from KEEN. It's an amazing shoe. For one, it's a hiking shoe that was actually built around a woman's foot. I know that sounds crazy, but a lot of times hiking shoes take that same mold that has been done for a man's foot and just kind of makes the sizing different or makes it a little smaller. KEEN has actually taken the prototype from a woman's foot, so it's going to fit you even more perfectly. Not only is it going to fit comfortably, it's going to be super just performance based. It's going to be crazy durable. What I really love about this is that KEEN has this membrane that works to make sure that the shoe is entirely waterproof leather, but also it lets water out. So if your foot is sweating, whatever moisture is going on inside, it can wick away and be released. It's not going to keep all of that in. That's just going to keep you so much more comfortable, keep your feet way healthier. The outside is 100% leather. The inside or the soles are rubber, and there is a high lifted rubber outsole that's going to be so good for your traction, your climbing, anything that you're doing. It's just going to give you more protection and more ability to keep your feet safe and perform better, hike better, be comfortable all day while you're hiking, because these are crazy comfortable shoes and they have a nice lifted arch for you too to just give you that support to where you can keep going for hours and hours. There's a reason why these have so many amazing reviews, and yeah, these are great. You will love them. Go ahead and put them in your cart. You'll be glad you did.